So today I'm going to talk about how to manage multiple Node.js version on Windows. So for this, there's a tool especially built for Windows is called Windows NVM. Okay, this is a tool that is very popular, and we are going to install it and try it with multiple Node.js versions and check it if it really works or not. So install it first. We need to download this tool, releases and download. Okay. Once we have installed it, let's nvm version nvm install LTS. So nvm install LTS meaning that it will going to install the latest stable version, which is already been installed. So my current project uses nvm install. Now I can go there nvm use in and let's try to check the version, and it is says Node.js 18 version. So yeah, this is the small guide. I will pin down repository link in the comments below. Thank you.